Hello and welcome. Take a look at this great looking 14 days weather forecast chart. So what are the special features of this particular chart? There are 5 types of data series in this chart, out of which 4 are of different kinds. One for rainfall in millimeters, 2 data series for high and low temperatures, the fourth one is for humidity in percentage, and the fifth one is for wind speed in kilometers per hour. There are 2 vertical axes used here. The primary vertical axis is used for measuring temperature and rainfall, and the secondary axis is used for measuring wind speed in kilometers per hour. 3 kinds of charts being used here. The area chart used to represent the rainfall, and the rainfall is mentioned at the bottom of each data element. The stacked column charts are used to display high and low temperatures and humidity percentage, and the wind speed is represented by a line chart. You would also notice that some of the data labels of wind speed are above the data point, some are on the left and some are to the right. The formatting of the data label, the legend, and the axis of wind speed is consistent so that the user can clearly understand what this data label represents, especially when it is along with some other data labels. The data labels used for the temperatures are combined data labels of high and low. So let's see how we can create this great looking weather chart.